Hello friends and welcome to our new session, that is thyroid hormones and anti-thyroid drugs. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gowri, lecturer in KK Wag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Learning outcome: after watching this video, student will able to name the thyroid hormone and anti-thyroid drug according to IUPAC system, to understand the mechanism of action of thyroid hormone and anti-thyroid drugs, to classify thyroid hormone and anti-thyroid drug in different ways, and to recognize the thyroid hormone and anti-thyroid drugs on the basis of structure, physical property, official preparation and uses. Hormones. These are the chemical messenger that are secreted directly into blood, which carries them to organ and tissue of the body to exert their functions. The hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Endo means within and crine means to set apart. There are many types of hormones that acts on different aspects of bodily function and processes. Sometimes these include development and the growth of body. Classification. First classification, chemical classification. First, amine hormones, for example, thyroxine and levothyronine. Second class, polypeptide hormones, for example, insulin, oxytocin and vasopressin. Then protein hormones, for example, growth hormones. Next class, glycoprotein hormones, for example, follicle stimulating hormones, FSH, and luteinizing hormones, that is LH. And steroid hormones, for example, testosterone, progesterone, and estradiol. And last class is miscellaneous. Second classification according to source or origin. Thyroid hormones, for example, thyroxine, triiodothyronine, that is also called levothyronine, and calcitocin. Pituitary glands. And class is pituitary hormones. Hormones secreted by anterior pituitary, that is adrenohypophysis. For example, ACTH, TSH, FSH, LH and GH. Second class, hormone secreted by posterior pituitary, that is neurohypophysis, and the example are oxytocin and vasopressin. Third classification, adrenaline gland hormones secreted by cortex, for example, glucocorticoids like cortisone and hydrocortisone, mineralocortisone corticoids, for example, aldosterone. And second class is secreted by medulla, for example, adrenaline. Fourth class is pancreatic hormones, that is divided into secreted by alpha cells of islets of Langerhans, and the example are glucagon and somatostatin. And second class is secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans, and the examples are insulin. Fifth class is parathyroid hormone secreted by parathyroid glands. Sixth class is hormone secreted by thymus gland, and the example is thymin. Then next class is hormone secreted by hypothalamus, that is divided into first releasing factor for stimulation, for example, thyrotropins, that is TSH, adrenocorticotropins, ACTH, and leukotropic releasing hormones, that is LH. And secondly, it is divided into releasing factor of inhibition, for example, TSH, GH and FHS. Now we see what is thyroid hormone. This is the diagram of thyroid hormone. The thyroid or thyroid gland is an endocrine gland in which the neck consists of two connecting lobes. Thyroid hormones are two hormones produced by releasing by thyroid glands, namely triiodothyronine, that is called T3, and thyroxine, that is T4. They are thyroxine-based hormones that are primarily responsible for regulation of metabolism. T3 and T4 are partially composed of iodine. Now first drug is thyroxine. This is the structure of thyroxine. It contains 4 iodine group. Chemical name is 3,5,3-5-tetraiodothyronine or ortho in bracket 4-hydroxy 3,5-diiodophenyl bracket close 3,5-diiodothyronine. Property: it is light yellow to buff colored powder which is colorless, odorless and tasteless. It is slightly soluble in water and in alcohol and soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide and carbonates. When its solution in alcohol is boiled with sodium nitrite in presence of HCl, it gives yellow color. When it made alkaline with dilute ammonia solution, it gives red color. This is the chemical property which is used for identification of thyroxine. Then stability and storage for thyroxine. It is hygroscopic but stable in dry air. It also discolored when exposed to light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat hypothyroidism, to suppress goiter, to treat cretinism, to treat thyrotoxicosis, and it is also used in chronic constipation, menstrual disorder, and sterility, like associated with low metabolic rates. Dosage form: it is available in thyroxine tablet and the brand names are Ultrozine, Roxil, and Thyroglandin. Hyperthyroidism is characterized by excessive secretion of thyroid hormones, and hypothyroidism is characterized by deficient secretion of thyroid hormones. Thyroid disorders include hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, thyroid inflammation, or it is also called thyroiditis, thyroid enlargement, that is goiter, thyroid nodules, and thyroid cancer. Antithyroid drugs: the drug which prevent the biosynthesis of thyroid hormone by acting within the gland and are called antithyroid drug or intrathyroidal inhibitor. These drugs are used in the treatment of hyperthyroidism, that is excessive secretion of thyroid hormone from thyroid gland. This drug reduces hormone secretion and thereby reduces circulating hormones. The reduction in circulating hormones stimulates thyrotropin, which promotes tissue development of thyroid gland. This results in enlargement of gland, formation of non-toxic goiter, and hence these drugs are called goiterogens. Classification: antithyroid drugs are divided into iodide ions, for example, inorganic iodides. Second, thioamides or thionamides, for example, propyl thiouracil and carbimazole. Third, aromatic amines and phenols, for example, sulfaguanidine, PAS, PAS, para-aminosalicylic acid, and derivative of resorcinol and chloroglucinol. And last classification is lithium salts, for example, lithium carbonate. Now first drug from antithyroid drug is methimazole. It is a 4-imidazoline derivative and is active metabolite of carbimazole. Property: it is white to pale buff crystalline powder. It has faint characteristic odor and it is freely soluble in water, alcohol and chloroform. Storage condition: it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is an antithyroid drug and used first for long-term control of hyperthyroidism such as Graves' disease and thyrotoxicosis. For the preparation of patient with hyperthyroidism prior to thyroid surgery and for the temporary control of hyperthyroidism after I-131 therapy. Dosage form: it is available in methimazole tablet and the brand name is Tapazole. Next drug is propylthiouracil. It is a 6-methyl-4-thiouracil derivative, that is, it contains hexahydropyrimidine heterocycle. Physical property: it is white to pale buff crystalline powder, odorless, it is bitter in taste, it is very slightly soluble in water, alcohol and chloroform, but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxides. Storage: it is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is an antithyroid drug and used for the long-term control of hyperthyroidism such as Graves' disease and thyrotoxicosis. For the preparation of patient with hyperthyroidism prior to thyroid surgery and last use for the temporary control of hyperthyroidism after iodine 131 therapy. Dosage form: it is available in propylthiouracil tablet and brand name it is available in Propacil. Next drug is methylthiouracil. It differs from propylthiouracil in having methyl group instead of propyl group at 6 position. It is less active than propylthiouracil. Property: it is white to pale buff crystalline powder, odorless, and it is bitter in taste. It is very slightly soluble in water, alcohol, and chloroform, but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Storage: it is stored in well-closed, light-resistant container. Thank you so much for watching this video.